Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to create a professional business email using Hostinger in 2024. A custom email like yourname@yourdomain.com adds credibility to your brand and makes communication more professional. So let's get started. First of all, open the web browser on your mobile device and head on to Hostinger's official website. And from there, click on the hamburger option on the top right corner of the screen and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you're logged in, click on the hamburger option on the top left corner and you can see an option saying emails, so click on it. Here you will see the option to manage or create email accounts. Hostinger provides different email plans such as Starter, Premium and Google. And also from this drop down menu, you can select how long do you want your email plan for. Once you have made your mind, click on the Get Started option and purchase the option by clicking on Choose Payment Methods. And after you have purchased the email plan, select the domain that you want to associate the email with and click Add Email Account. Fill in the details like your email, username and set a strong password. And that's it, you have successfully created a professional business email using Hostinger. And if you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.